Hey everybody. Just got back from a job doing one in Bridgeport. I was going to YouTube it or video it, and I forgot when I got loaded up, so we'll do this here. I'll unload, unstrap the Mini, get it done, and then I'm going to spread out some of this dirt here, level it out a little bit in this area. What I got here, since I got the Mini over here and the excavator, I'll go ahead and kind of get it spread out and stuff a little bit and get it ready, so we'll get going. Unhook this trailer. I have a couple check engine lights on my truck for some reason, so I just haven't think about that. I need to check on that. Take the truck over to the house. Move the excavator because it's kind of in my way to level this out. So I left it over here so I could use it, but I didn't realize that I parked it in a bad spot. Now it's in my way. So. that's it for that one. We got it shaped up a little bit. I'm gonna move some more dirt a little bit later. Right there where the mini is, it's still a little low, so we will fix that. And once we fix that, which I'll pull this dirt from here, and we'll see how it goes. It looks better, but I'm not 100% happy with it yet. I want to slope it but make it level, but it's high on this back side here, so we'll get back to that in a little while. We'll see you on the next one.